Imagine seamlessly transforming any written word into a rich, natural voice with the power of Gemini AI. Today, we're diving into how you can unlock this incredible capability for your own projects, using the Gemini API to bring text to life with exceptional text-to-speech synthesis. The first crucial step is to obtain your unique Gemini API key. This key acts as your passport to accessing the AI model's powerful speech generation functionalities. You'll typically find this within your developer console or account settings on the platform, providing the Gemini API. Once you have your API key, you'll integrate it into your application's code. Think of this as securely connecting your program to the Gemini AI's brain. This authentication process ensures that only authorized requests can utilize the text-to-speech capabilities. The core of the process involves sending your desired text to the Gemini API. This is where your application communicates with the AI, essentially telling it what phrase or sentence you want to be spoken aloud. What makes Gemini's text-to-speech so remarkable is its ability to generate natural-sounding audio. You'll be able to control various aspects, such as the voice type, pitch, and speaking speed, allowing you to tailor the output to perfectly match your application's needs. After the Gemini API processes your text and chosen parameters, it will return the audio data. This data can then be directly played back within your application, creating an enhanced and accessible user experience. Whether you're building interactive educational tools, improving accessibility for users with disabilities, or simply want to add a voice to your digital creations, integrating Gemini's text-to-speech is a powerful step forward.